Hello. In this 1.20.1 Minecraft mod pack development video, we're going to be looking into how to use the LootJS mod to replace loot in various loot tables. If you find this sort of content informative, please give this video a like, comment with any questions or future video ideas, and subscribe to the channel with notifications on to make sure that you never miss a future upload. In addition, thank you to BisectHosting for supporting my channel. They are a fantastic game server host, especially Minecraft, but many other games as well. As you can see, there's plenty of great perks to this server host. If you find this interesting, I highly recommend you check out my affiliate link in the description below. That will bring you to the website that I got the screenshot from that has plenty of great information that can help inform possible purchase that aligns with your needs and budget. So again, thank you to BisectHosting for supporting my channel. But now let's get into the code. Important thing to note, this has to be in your server scripts folder. So I called this file replace loot.js. So this is going to be a script that I have all of my replace loot functionality in my mod pack here, but we're going to go through two simple examples here. So again, this obviously uses the lootjs.modifiers event listener, and then we're going to pass in an event callback as well. So again, similar to my last video, we're going to be using the event.add loot table modifier. And the first thing I want to do is replace the aluminum ingot from Immersive Engineering's Engineer House loot table with my own custom aluminum ingot for my mod pack. So how we're going to do that is, since there's only one loot table that the Immersive Engineering aluminum ingot appears in, I'm just going to pass in the specific loot table modifier. So that is Immersive Engineering :chest / engineer's house. And then I want to call the replace loot function, as that's a chain function obviously. And I want to first, replace loot takes in two arguments. The first one is the loot item that's being replaced, and then the second argument is what we're replacing it with. So we want to replace the Immersive Engineering aluminum ingot let me make this a separate line with my own custom ingot. So CubeJS aluminum ingot. So let's do another simple example here that I'm going to be putting in my mod pack. So add loot table modifier. And here I want to replace brass ingots from any loot table because they appear in multiple loot tables, specifically the Grey Tech version. So I'm going to be using a regular expression. So what I'm typing in here basically covers any single chest item from Minecraft, of course. And then I want to call the replace loot function, replace loot. So I want to replace it with the GTCEU brass ingot, and I want to replace that with my own brass ingot. So as you can see here, these are two simple examples of how to use the replace loot function in LootJS. If you found this video informative, please give this video a like, comment with any questions or future video ideas. In addition, please subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on to make sure you never miss a future upload. In addition, thank you to BisectHosting for supporting my channel. But otherwise, thank you for your time watching this video, and have a great day.